Have you ever sat down to work on something important, only to find yourself scrolling through social media an hour later? Or maybe you start a task with the best intentions but get derailed by every notification, thought, or distraction around you. Don't worry, you're not alone. Staying focused in today's hyper-connected world can feel like an uphill battle. But what if I told you that focus is not just a skill but a trainable science? Yes, you can train your brain to stay on track, boost productivity, and finally finish what you start. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating science of focus. You'll learn what's happening in your brain when you concentrate, why distractions are so powerful, and most importantly, actionable techniques to sharpen your focus. If you're ready to take control of your attention and master your mind, keep watching. 1. What is focus and why does it matter? Focus is your brain's ability to filter out irrelevant stimuli and lock onto a specific task or thought. It's like a mental flashlight that narrows your attention. But here's the catch, your brain is naturally wired to seek novelty. That's why it's so easy to get distracted. Research shows that focus isn't just a productivity tool. It impacts your memory, decision-making, and even emotional well-being. The more you strengthen your focus, the better you become at managing stress and achieving long-term goals. 2. The neuroscience of focus. To understand focus, let's look at the brain. The prefrontal cortex is the command center responsible for attention and decision-making. It works closely with the dopamine system, which rewards you for staying on task. However, when you multitask or get distracted, this system gets overloaded, making it harder to return to the original task. What's fascinating is that focus operates in cycles, known as ultradian rhythms, lasting about 90 minutes. After that, your brain needs a short break to recharge. Understanding these natural rhythms can help you work smarter, not harder. 3. Why is it so hard to focus? Modern distractions aren't just annoying, they're designed to hijack your attention. Social media, for instance, uses algorithms to keep you scrolling, releasing dopamine with every like, comment, or notification. Moreover, cognitive overload plays a big role. When you have too many things on your mind, your brain struggles to prioritize, making it harder to stay focused. Add in environmental factors like noise, clutter, and interruptions, and it's no wonder our attention spans are shrinking. 4. How to train your brain to stay focused. Here's the part you've been waiting for, how to actually train your brain to stay on track. Start with a clear goal. Before diving into any task, define exactly what you want to achieve. The more specific your goal, the easier it is for your brain to focus. Instead of saying, I'll work on my project, say, I'll write the introduction to my report. B. Practice single tasking. Multitasking might feel productive, but it splits your attention and reduces efficiency. Train yourself to focus on one task at a time by using techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. C. Eliminate distractions. Create a distraction-free environment. Turn off notifications, put your phone in another room, and let people know you're unavailable during focused work periods. D. Leverage your ultradian rhythms. Plan your most demanding tasks during your peak focus hours. For many people, this is mid-morning. Use breaks to recharge, step away from screens, stretch, or take a quick walk. E. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness meditation strengthens the prefrontal cortex, enhancing your ability to concentrate. Even 10 minutes a day can make a significant difference. Apps like Headspace or Calm can help you get started. F. Train your dopamine system. Reward yourself for staying focused. For example, after completing a challenging task, treat yourself to something you enjoy, like a short walk, music, or a favorite snack. This reinforces positive behavior in your brain. 5. Long-term habits for sustained focus. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for memory consolidation and focus. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Exercise regularly. Physical activity boosts blood flow to the brain, improving attention and cognitive performance. Eat brain-boosting foods. Include omega-3s, nuts, and leafy greens in your diet for optimal brain function. Limit screen time. Excessive screen use can overstimulate your brain, making it harder to concentrate. So, there you have it, the science behind focus and how to train your brain to stay on track. Remember, focus isn't a switch you can flip. It's a muscle you strengthen over time. By setting clear goals, practicing mindfulness, and creating a distraction-free environment, you can unlock your brain's full potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to staying focused? And which tip are you excited to try? Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay sharp and stay focused.